G'day, well here we are out on the farm at Kasuntingan, which is outside of Macarthur. It's actually rainy season. It's often difficult to tell the difference. It seems to rain every day during dry season as well as it does rainy season, but this is I guess a very typical day that I've been having here. Not much to do. It's hard to get out on a motorbike, so we're pretty much confined to barracks, so to speak. What you're looking at there is one of the rice fields which has been, I guess, churned up, recently harvested. It might have been a month, 2 months ago, and be reharvested soon. There's not a hell of a lot to show you. I don't even know if you can hear me. I can't zoom in, but over there there's a pig pen. Now they're staying well as dry as what they can be because they've got a roof. But the chooks, the roosters, they just sort of find cover if and where they can. The water builds up very, very quickly here. There's my girl and her cousin. Hi darling. Jonathan. They've been getting in all sorts of trouble because I guess they're confined as well. Anyway, not the brightest of days, but we do get sunshine periods. As a matter of fact, this could be gone in 20 minutes and the sun come out. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. It will be dark probably by about 5:15, regardless of cloud cover. Anyway, just thought I'd show you around a little bit. For Hannah, Anne's oldest daughter. Troublesome kids. You tell them, darling. Say hi. Kiss. Kiss for the camera. That's beautiful, darling. Almost work to be done. Got to call a spade a spade. Look at that. Trench warfare. Anyhow, 3.5 minutes. I'll sign out for now. There's a couple of kids getting in the trouble off Pop. What's he got there? Cups. Good man. Say hi. Motorbike.